One of the main aspects of color theory is about making colors look good together, and the color wheel is the tool to use at the center of it all. So in this video, I'm going to show you examples of great color harmonies from movies and how they all relate back to the color wheel so that you can learn how to use the color wheel for your own designs.
You, Anakin. I have failed you.
To start, here is the movie Star Wars Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. And in this scene on the planet Mustafar, Obi-Wan and Anakin Skywalker both have the same color blue lightsaber, and it's really nicely complementing the red-orange lava behind them. Now, orange and blue are complementary colors of each other on the color wheel, meaning that they're two colors that are directly opposite. This is always going to cause the biggest contrast when two complementary colors are used together. And you can also see the dark browns and blacks around them, but these are really simply different values of orange. Now, colors also have another aspect to them called values, which means how light or dark they are. And the colors can sometimes not be as vibrant as you can see in the color wheel. It just really depends on the mood you're looking to create. But even so, they all still follow the color harmony. Next is the movie Harry Potter. In this scene, there are different values of oranges with accents of green from Professor McGonagall and blue from the window of the night sky. The black color of the students goes with anything and can be used in pretty much any color palette, since black is just a very dark value of all colors. So if we go over to our color wheel, we can see that this scene uses the color harmony called split complementary. So that is when you take one color and then the two colors next to that color is complementary. So in this case, orange and then blue violet and then green. The next movie we're going to look at is Beauty and the Beast. Specifically, the first time we meet Belle in the scene where she goes to the town. You'll notice in the background there are a lot of oranges, reds, and greens, using these earthy colors. And this continues all throughout the town scene. The only one who's wearing anything blue is Belle, and the production designer did it this way so that she would stand out more and be different, which is the whole point of that song. Now, even they still followed a standard color harmony based on the color wheel, and that is one that's called tetradic. That means 4. Tetrad is 4. So you take a rectangle and choose 2 sets of complementary colors. So this is 4 colors in this color harmony. So in this case, it's blue and orange, and then red and green. It was done very cleverly to make her stand out.
Bookshop, I just finished the most wonderful story about a beanstalk and an ogre and
That's nice.
Hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in words.
The next movie to look at is Moulin Rouge, specifically my favorite scene of the movie, and if you look, these main colors used are red, blue, and yellow. Red, blue, and yellow are the primary colors, meaning that no other colors can be mixed together to make these. And different combinations of red, blue, and yellow, or red with blue, blue with yellow, yellow with red, will make the other colors on the color wheel. And this color palette of these 3 colors is called triadic. Triad means 3. So it's when you choose 3 colors that are 3 colors away from one another on the color wheel.
So excuse me for getting.
And the final color palette I'll be mentioning in this video is called Analogous, where there are 3 colors on the color wheel that are all next to each other. In this scene from The Return of the King, the colors are yellow-orange, orange, and red-orange. The analogous color harmony usually creates a softer look because there's not a large amount of contrast aside from the lighter and darker values of the colors that are used. Also, if you look at this scene, talking about the way colors make you feel, which is a whole other topic, the warm colors here create a happy and comforting feeling, which is what this part of the movie is all about. So training your eye to see the color palettes, whether in movies, posters, packaging, book covers, any design pretty much, will help you to have a more design-oriented mind, and you will be able to apply colors more easily as you keep observing them around you. So let me know in the comments if this video was helpful, and I plan to make more videos like this to help you understand the subject of color. Thanks so much for being here. I'll see you next time.